High-quality production line. Fully made of stainless steel throughout the process. Automated operation, covering the entire process of cleaning, peeling, slicing, blanching, dehydration, frying, seasoning, and packaging. Intelligent control, precise temperature regulation, ensuring the golden crispness of each potato chip. Efficient and energy-saving, environmentally friendly and hygienic, helping enterprises enhance their market competitiveness. Witness how an ordinary potato transforms into crispy and delicious potato chips on an intelligent production line. Potatoes are cleaned and lifted by a spray cleaning machine. Enter the hair roller peeling machine to remove the skin and impurities. Peeled potatoes are manually screened on a conveyor belt. Remove spoiled potatoes to ensure quality. Slicer high-speed slicing, precise thickness control. A bubble cleaner removes surface mucus and starch to ensure pure taste. Blanching machine passivates oxidase to prevent browning. After blanching, the potato chips enter the vibrating water filter through the conveyor belt to quickly remove excess water. During the vibration process, the water droplets of potato chips fall into the lower part through the leaking net. Potato chips enter the air dryer to further remove surface moisture. Double dehydration of vibrating water filter and air dryer to avoid splashing of oil and water during frying. Potato chips enter the continuous frying equipment through the elevator. Double-layered mesh belt design ensures even heating of potato chips, prevents floating, and guarantees a crispy texture. Automatic slag scraping system reduces oil waste and improves the service life of frying oil. Avoid affecting the taste of potato chips. Vibration oil filter to remove excess oil. Flip the air dryer to quickly cool down and improve the quality of potato chips. Potato chips are lifted into a drum seasoning machine for seasoning. The drum seasoning machine evenly spreads ingredients to ensure consistent deliciousness of each potato chip. Z-type elevator soft conveying. Head weighing system for precise measurement. Ensure consistent weight of each bag to avoid waste. Empowered by technology, every bag of potato chips carries innovation and peace of mind. Welcome to contact us and customize your exclusive potato chip production line solution. Synchronize intelligence, efficiency, and deliciousness in your factory.